Day 21. Yesterday you saw the roadmap for everything days 11 through 18 unlocked. Today you're going to learn how to judge whether your strategy is actually any good. So, what is set benchmark? Set benchmark is the method you call in initialize to choose an asset your algorithm's performance gets compared against, usually a market index. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have comparing your race time to the pack. On the right, set benchmark. Imagine finishing a marathon in 4 hours. Is that good? You can't tell just from the number. But if you find out the average runner that day finished in 5 hours, suddenly 4 hours looks great. Without that comparison, the number means almost nothing on its own. The race comparison here says, a result only makes sense next to something else. Set benchmark works exactly the same way. It gives your algorithm something to be measured against, which in this case is, if your strategy returns 12% while the benchmark index returns 20%, you actually underperformed, even though 12% sounded fine on its own. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of set benchmark in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. A high return automatically means your strategy outperformed the market, true or false. And the correct answer is false. A high return can still be underperformance if the benchmark did even better. That's exactly why set benchmark matters. It gives your results context.